One-day workshop on the theme Scientific and Social Outlook on Imphal was organized by Institution of Engineers India Manipur State Centre in collaboration with Lining Thausanamahi Temple Board Haying Khongbal under the supervision of the Civil Engineering Division Board CVDB IEI today. The event took place at the Lining Thausanamahi Sanglen of Haying Khongbal Upong Yumpam Sanamahi Road. During the workshop, Vice Chancellor of Manipur University of Culture, Professor Dr. Paonam Gunindro emphasized the importance of discussing how to reconcile the ancient norms regarding construction of houses with modern civilization. He highlighted the unique house structure of Meitei community, wherein each house includes a sacred area dedicated to Lining Thausanamahi, making every household akin to temple in Meitei tradition. Despite the construction of towering buildings in the modern world, it's crucial to uphold the ancestral rules and paths even as we embrace development. Vice President of Lining Thausanamahi Temple Board Vidyapati Sencham, Chairman of the Institute of Engineers India Manipur State Centre, Loktongbam Swamikanta FIE Manipur Architects Forum, Aribam Joychandra and retired Superintendent Engineer PhED Ngasepam Surjakumar attended the program.
Yung kudimak license nila. Kanaman license, lainam sanami dito license. Ano may tayo nung may tama tam sa license kay dobe lagi hay matam da license may tama. Ano nintong pali ni matam dali kay dobe hay matam sa ari ko kila kay tingeba. Kana bumam na ni yung may tama Har mi do aham pachida paidi hen akan pachida piu hai ba nintho bali matam dali. Ngasi wana ti ko hai kasi adisi ro bi ko khang ko. Aduna hai ni ba asin mo mayam singsi ekoi na ngasi mifam site yan na complete ko ba. Ekoi sum jaram ne na interview sa to mi da kedo ga de hai matam site ai nimit tha pati ma pani pani interview sa de din thabu to khan da bata. Aduna ngasai hai ba as far as possible kwaidi hena oiba oithokpa yaba mongda ekoi kedo ga de hai matam sa janabi akoi lilam do sukai kai hen da ba yaba mongda kai hen draga madu singbu asumba may nawai tang sa tathari bache masibusu kai na hamna bi namta madu bi sinjagani